Bullish smooth love mixture, SLP, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.009928 and $0.018752 by 2030. Market examiners accept SLP could reach $0.007722 by 2025. Bearish smooth love elixir market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.001765. Smooth love mixture, SLP, acquaintance when it accompanies play to acquire games, a sheer endlessness captures everyone's attention. As the principal NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play to acquire on the worldwide gaming map. Sky Mavis sent off the game in 2018, yet it required off barely a year ago alongside the NFT blast. Axie limitlessness was the previous summer's star convention, topping at close to a portion of 1 million everyday dynamic clients, DAO. Axie limitlessness is an NFT-supported play-to-procure blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses 2 tokens in its biological system: smooth love mixtures, SLPs, and Axie vastness shards, axes. Essentially, SLPs are acquired by playing the game. In the interim, Axes is an administration token that empowers holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities, and depository subsidizes spending. Before we assess on the off chance that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll meticulously describe the job and utility of SLP in Axie vastness's biological system. Moreover, we will cover the elements influencing the cost of SLP and what's in store plans of Sky Mavis. What is Axie vastness? Axie endlessness support the play-to-procure interactivity model wherein players are compensated by just investing energy playing the game. Besides, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, acquire from it, or use it for interactivity. This isolates Axie vastness from the vast majority of the present customary closed-circled games where computerized things must be utilized in-game. It got to a place that the hindrance to passage was too high in light of the fact that the expense for purchasing the 3 axies expected to play the game was galactic. In the interim, there are financial backers and business people who can undoubtedly lay out the assets expected to purchase axies, however, don't have the advantage of time to play. This market hole moved the grant and society programs. In Axie endlessness, the pay commonly comes as smooth love elixir, SLP. Players need to finish and enter journeys, field mode and experience mode to procure SLPs. The everyday journey rewards used to be 50 SLP, however, during the send-off of the 20th Serious season, Sky Mavis reported a significant monetary change to procuring SLP. Basically, players will never again procure SLP in day-to-day journeys and experience mode, yet they can acquire more through serious PvP. SLP profit will presently be really divided, with extra rewards just accessible in the higher serious levels. Smooth love mixture is at present worth $0.002206 United States dollars. SLP has moved 1.89% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $10,316,333. Smooth love mixture is at present position 320 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $91,078,428 United States dollars. Using the general strength file, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination uniqueness, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for smooth love elixir, SLP, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. As of now, Sky Mavis is caught up with restoring its picture and tending to the hack that tormented its framework and thusly, Axie vastness. It is presently offering a bug abundance to recognize any weaknesses in its shrewd agreements or web-related frameworks. In like manner, white cap programmers will get somewhere in the range of $1,000 and $1 million, relying upon the seriousness of every weakness found. In the meantime, bugs in the application or web connection points will be compensated with $15,000. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous smooth love mixture, SLP, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Smooth love mixture, SLP, value forecast 2023. Smooth love elixir, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year, SLP. The SLP cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $0.003309. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.003089 in cost is very aggressive, however it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0.002647. Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, Value Expectation 2024 out of 2024, Smooth Love Mixture SLP Cost Expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0.005515. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the SLP's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.004412 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.004854. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Forecast 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.007722 and SLP might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.007706 and a low of $0.006618 in 2025. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2026 in the event that Smooth Love Elixir effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2026. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.009928 with a base cost of $0.008825 and a typical cost of $0.009266. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the SLP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.011472 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.011031 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, SLP has a greatest value worth of $0.012134. Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Forecast 2028, because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.013678. In the event that SLP figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $0.01434. Neglecting to assemble the help SLP needs by 2028 could bring about